This is fascinating. It's about that kite I was talking about in my earlier video. Watch that video if you haven't watched it yet. We have an equilateral triangle here and then a right triangle here. We stack them on each other and we get a kite. Now it is possible to construct such a kite, and what I did was I just said, well, the diagonals are going to be perpendicular at 90, divides into 4 right triangles. We have 45, 45, 90s, and then 30, 60, 90s here. So if this side is x, then this side is x, then this is the hypotenuse of a 45, 45, 90. So if we want to get this side, just divide both sides by the square root of 2, we get x root 2 over 2, okay? And then we can look at the 30, 60, 90. This becomes x root 2, because you double this short side here. And then this becomes x root 6 over 2 if you multiply the short side by the square root of 3. Now, these two sides become x root 2, okay? Now, what's interesting about this is a couple of things. First of all, if you want to calculate the area of a kite is 1/2 times d1 times d2. So you put the numbers in, and you basically get a simplified formula for the area of a kite. Let's move over just a little bit so you can see it. We get that the area is x squared times 2 plus 2 root 3. We could distribute out the x squared if we wanted to. That's a formula for the area. So there's one particular value that I see in which the area is going to be a rational number. And you can try to solve for that if you want. But the other thing that's interesting is that if these two sides are rational numbers, then these two sides have to be irrational numbers. A lot of interesting things going on here with this kite. Does anyone know, has anyone ever studied this kite before? This seems like one of those kites that should have a special name. Like maybe I should trademark this now and just call it the Dr. Miller kite. I don't know. Let me know if anyone's ever studied such a kite before. I know that the 90-90, there's a kite with 2 right angles. I know that's a famous kite, but I'm not sure I ran across this one being famous in any way, and that kind of surprises me. So maybe I should start a dissertation on it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you all next time.